The tribe paid their respects to Hazrat Khalifatul al-Masih through traditional tongue and dance, and the king was gifted the Holy Quran, translated into the Māori language.
The Quran, the holy book of Muslims, which I have presented to the king, that is according to our belief, is the final law-bearing book which was revealed to the Holy Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and the book is full of wisdom and giving the guidelines to the mankind. How should we develop relation with our Creator, and how should we behave towards our fellow being? According to our tradition, we normally close our some formal functions with the silent prayers. So now I will offer silent prayer. Ameen.
You can catch more on this on MTA in the next few weeks.